Hey guys, Rapid Start 12 here, and today I'm going to show you my 60 watt SP incandescent glow bulb. So I got this glow bulb pretty recently from the ReStore in Crystal River, Florida. You may have seen my video I made on all those bulbs I got that day. But anyway, this is one of those bulbs. It's kind of dirty, as you can tell. Soft white coating. It's got a nice brass base. Sweet RX. Oh, where is it? There it is. SP 120 volt, 60 watt, Korea. Very simple. Black glass insulator. Now, I'm gonna get some other glow bulbs I have of different sizes to compare because this is a very small bulb, as you can tell. So, here is a standard G25 bulb. Oop. I always want to roll away. But you can tell that the SP, whatever it is a lot smaller. And then here is a G16 and a half. I'll put it down here. This is also a standard size. And it's ever so slightly bigger than a G16 and a half. And it also has a medium base instead of a candelabra base. So it's about a G16 and a half, but it's a little bit bigger. So maybe like a G19 or something. I don't know. Actually, here's a A19 bulb. Let's just compare real quick. Yeah, I'd say maybe a G19 or G20. It's pretty similar to an A19, so anyway, we will get our socket over here and screw this bulb in. And I will be right back after all the lights have been turned off. Alright, I'm back. And here's the bulb. So we'll turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, very nice. I like the particular warm white color this puts off now. Looking at the camera, it's a lot more yellowish in person than on camera, but I definitely like the color it puts off. So, anyway, we'll go up here where we can compare CRI. So, we'll start off over here. Everything looks good over here. Let me get the green and yellow here and show you those as well. Yeah, not bad. All the Halloween decorations. Here, these over here. CRI isn't bad. Brightness isn't bad either. This is about 3 feet above everything. And it lights it up good. You know, I think it would light things a little better in an actual fixture because, you know, better optics, but it's just a standard 60, maybe 40 looking incandescent bulb because it's a globe, not a A19, but anyway, we do have a demo today, right here, so we'll dim it down all the way to start, and that's a very nice orange glow. You can barely see it on camera, there we go. So, yep, very dim, you can see it just barely glowing, very nice. Now we'll crank it up to about 50%. And like you'd expect, you get some light, but not nearly as much light. There it is again. And finally, back up to 100%. And now you get the full brightness. Well, anyway, now we're going to turn off this bulb, and I'll be right back after the lights have been turned back on. Alright, well, I'm back. And that was my SP G19 or whatever it is, incandescent glow bulb, 60 watt. There's one more look at it. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.